Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hemant, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we are discussing about the topic identification and classification of hazardous waste. First we are discussing about what is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is a waste that has substantial or potential risk to public health or the environment. Hazardous waste is a type of dangerous goods. They usually have one or more of the following hazardous traits. Types of hazardous waste: ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, toxicity. First, we are discussing ignitability waste. Ignitability waste is a waste that can cause a fire in certain situations. It includes liquid that have flash point below 140 Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius because they can ignite in most conditions, making them a severe hazard. Some waste has a flash point that put it at the risk of combusting when it meets air, so proper disposal is crucial. Composite gas and oxidizers rank highly for ignitability. Ignitability waste example: solvent-based paint waste, used paint bath exhaust filter waste, kerosene or gasoline, petroleum part, waste, solvent. Corrosive waste. Corrosive refers to waste that capable of eroding, corroding, or eating away at other substance and surface. This type of waste is either very acidic or very basic and can erode plastic or metal barrels that would otherwise work for disposal. Corrosive waste include liquid with a pH of 2 or less, a pH of 12.5 or greater, or the ability to corrode steel. Corrosive waste example: lead acid batteries, acid or alkaline cleaning solution, caustic hot tank waste, rust remover. Reactivity waste. Reactivity waste can act unstable even in normal condition, making it hazardous to handle and dispose of. It would react with water or give off toxic gases and some reactivity. Waste can explode with disposal or when it encounter heat. This type of waste is very volatile, so disposal needs to happen carefully to prevent accidents. Reactivity waste examples: preserved Russell canal, cyanide plating waste, lithium sulfur batteries, metallic sodium and potassium waste, concentrated bleaches. Toxic waste. Toxic waste is harmful when it ingested or absorbed and can pollute groundwater. The toxicity characteristic: leaching procedure test waste to see how harmful it is to the environment. Mixed radiological and hazardous waste. Toxic waste example: batteries or electronics, cell phones and computers, treated wood waste containing pentachlorophenol, painting waste that contains certain solvent, painting waste with toxic metal based pigment, used oil filters with high level of lead or benzene. Identification and classification of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste refers to the waste that may or tend to cause adverse health effect on the ecosystem and human beings. These waste pose present or potential risk to human health or living organism due to the fact that they are non-degradable or present persistent in nature, can be biological magnified or highly toxic and even lethal at very low concentration. Listed hazardous waste. A specific list showing certain material as hazardous waste minimize the need to test wastes as well as a simplify waste determination. We will describe these waste classified in the FKP and U industrial waste codes respectively. First, we discussing about F list. The F list contains hazardous waste from non-specific source, that is various industries, processes that may have generated the waste. The list consists of solvents commonly used in degreasing, metal treatment, baths and sludges, wastewater from metal plating operation and dioxin containing chemical or their precursors. Example: benzene, carbon tetrachloride, salicylic acid, methyl ethyl ketone, methyl chloride, and etc. K list. K list contain hazardous waste generating by specific industrial process. Examples: chemical production, petroleum refining, iron and steel production, explosive manufacture and pesticide production, etc. P and U list. P and U list contain discarded commercial chemical product of specification, chemicals, container residues and residues from the spilling of materials. Example: pesticides, applicators, laboratories and chemical formulators, and etc. Classification of hazardous waste: radioactive substance, chemical, radioactive waste, flammable waste, explosives, households, hazardous waste. First, we are discussing about radioactive waste, substance that emit immunizing radiations are radioactive. Such substances are hazardous because prolonged exposures to radiations often result in damage to living organisms. Example: uranium. Chemicals. Most hazardous chemicals waste can be classified into four groups: synthetic organics, inorganic metals, salt, acids and bases, and flammables and explosives. Some of the chemicals are hazardous because they are highly toxic to most life forms. Example: pesticides and insecticides. Biomedical waste. The principal source of hazardous biological waste are hospitals and biological research facility. The ability to infect other living organisms and the ability to produce toxins are the most significant characters to hazardous biological waste. Example: hypodermic needles, bandages, and outdated drugs. Next, flammable waste. Most flammable waste are also identified as hazardous chemical waste. This dual grouping is necessary because of the high potential hazards in strong collecting and disposing and flaming waste. Example: organic solvent, oils, plastic accessories, and organic sludge. Explosives. Explosive hazardous waste are mainly materials, the waste resulting from ordnance manufacture and some industrial gas similar to flammables. These wastes also have the high potential for hazards in storage, collection, and disposal, and therefore they should be considered separately in addition to being listed as a hazardous chemical. Household hazardous waste. Household waste such as cleaning chemical, bacteria, nail polish, etc. in MSW considered hazardous waste, especially battery contain mercury which has alkaline which is dangerous enough to kill people. Generic household hazardous material include non-chlorinated organic, chlorinated organic, pesticides, latex paint, oil-based paints, waste oil, automobile battery, and household battery. These are the these are identification and classification of hazardous waste. Thank you for watching this video. Please give like and subscribe for this channel.